Welcome to my channel. In today's lecture, you will carry out spot weld analysis in SolidWorks. The main outcomes of this lecture is to learn how to define spot welding types in SolidWorks and how to evaluate the shear forces as well as axial forces on each point of spot weld. So let's start our lecture now. So let's start our study now. First of all, open SolidWorks and make a sketch on the front planes. Draw two corner rectangles. Starting from origin. Okay, the length of both rectangle is same and the height or width of both rectangle is also same. So make or add equal relations. Now assign the dimensions, that is 100 mm in length and 10 mm in thickness, and add this distance, that is 35 mm. Now keep this sketch selected, go to the extrude workspace. From selected contours, clear this one, then select this contours. Depth is 50 mm. Okay. Again go to the sketch, select the sketch 1 and go to the box extrude. Clear these selections, then select this contours and uncheck the merge result. That means you will create two solid bodies. As you can see here, the two solid bodies has been created in SolidWorks. Now save your 3D model of these two overlapping plates and go to the simulation modules. Start a new study and ensure that static study has been selected. Okay. First of all, assign the material, that is plain carbon steel. Now delete these connections. Yes. Here you will add the spot weld. Add here, this one, and as well as on this point and this point. So just go to the connections, then select the spot welds and select this face as well as this face and this face. Both faces should be parallel to each other. From here you have to select this vertex. This is the point 1 for spot weld connector and this is the point 2 for spot weld connector. And here the size or diameter of the spot weld, that is 1 mm. Okay. So you have defined the spot weld connector with the size of 1 mm, that is here. Similarly, again go to the connections, then select the spot welds and select these both faces. This is face 1 and this is face 2. Again select this vertex as well as this vertex as point 2 for spot weld connector 2 and the size or diameter of spot weld is 1 millimeter. After that, apply or assign the boundary conditions, assign the fixed geometry, then select this face. Okay. Apply a force of 500 Newton on this face. Reverse the directions. Its value is 500 Newton. Now run your simulation study and wait until your solution converges. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channels. You can see the simulation has been completed now. If you want to check the stresses in the megapascal, select the megapascal. So maximum stresses occurs at these spot welds, that is 244 megapascals. You can also check where this maximum stress occurs. Show the maximum innotations. So here at this spot weld, maximum stress occurs. That is 244. That is more than that of the yield strength of the material. That means factor of safety with this spot weld is less than 1. You can also check the behavior under these loading conditions. You can see how this is separating from the base plate. You can slow down your animations. How this is deforming, you can see it is scaled up. You can also check the deformations. That is maximum at the free end, that is 0.04 millimeter, and define the factor of safety using the maximum one measure stress theory, that is about 0.9, less than 1. Our design is not safe. And we can also check the different axial forces as well as shear forces at these spot welds. So go to the results and click on the list connector force. From here you have to select the connector 1 with 0.1. Click here. So these are the values or parameters for connector 1 at 0.1. You can see the shear force at this point is 157 Newton, while axial force is 22. Similarly, at this point, that is the connector 1 at 9.2, you can check the results. Click here. Shear force is about 80 Newton, while axial force is in negative directions, that is 5.6. You can see their symbols. Similarly, go to the connector 2. So shear forces and axial forces for connector 2 at 0.1, and here are the shear forces and axial forces for connector 2 at 0.2. So shear forces and axial forces for connector 2 at 0.2 and for connector 1 at 0.1 are almost same. So I think you enjoyed these spot weld simulations in SolidWorks. Please make a practice of this lecture today. Thank you for watching.